Today, we're going to... We have about 45 minutes left on the ride. I figured, since we have such a long way to go, why not talk about why I haven't been on YouTube for about 2.5 months. I'm sure most of you guys actually probably already know that, but I had moved back to North Carolina. I am so happy to be back in Charlotte. Oh God, it's 55 miles an hour. It's just really been a struggle because I had to go through quite a few things that I did not want to deal with when I moved back, but it's okay. Life moves on. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. I actually meant to go somewhere completely different. When I put in Pisgah Forest into Google Maps, it dropped me off somewhere completely random. So I am now 2 hours away, but I figured I'd make the best of it. I don't know where I am, and I don't have any cell service to be able to figure out where I am because I stupidly forgot to download the offline maps for Google before I left. But I found a hike. I wanted to hike, so we're gonna hike.
Goddamn, I didn't see it when you lived here all your life, but didn't mean it. And I swear, I know I green it, but it's hard sometimes to breathe in all the scenic. Dream of palaces and countrysides, all I want.
Gotta take a breather for a second because I just slipped down the stair right on my butt. Oh man, this is why you probably shouldn't go hiking alone.
To wake up with the morning light, laughing all alone, break away from all the city lights, hiding in the dark 'cause you don't belong where you don't belong. Yeah, I don't belong. No, I don't belong. I'm blessed, I'll believe it when they tell me I'm here for a reason. Hold on, another season, couple minutes back and forth, then we'll be leaving. To our palaces and countrysides, all I want is to wake up with the morning light, laughing all alone, break away from all the city lights, hiding in the dark 'cause you don't belong where you don't belong. Yeah, I don't